Hello everyone, so we are on day 22. Our learning targets for today are I can read the text Earth's Water and identify new learning. So today you are going to read the last two sections of the text Earth's Water and identify any new learning that you have. So as you can see on your checklist, you're going to be reading pages 11 through 15 of the informational text Earth's Water and doing the same thing that you did yesterday. So you listed 3 facts you learned while reading about the first 2 parts. Now it's the last 2 parts. So our text Earth's Water, as we said before, we've already read water everywhere and different forms of water. So we're starting on page 11 with changing water. So I'm down here to page 11, and let's go ahead and get started. Earth's water is always changing from one state to another. When frozen water is heated, it melts and becomes liquid water. When liquid water cools, it freezes and becomes ice. It says right here in our picture, the sunlight heats up the snow and the snowman melts. Liquid water can become a gas too. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up on a hot day? Energy from the sun changed the liquid to a gas in a process called evaporation. This picture says energy from the sun causes water to evaporate. Evaporation happens every day as the sun beats down on Earth's bodies of waters. When water vapor in the air cools down, it changes from a gas to a liquid. This process is called condensation. Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water formed by condensation. The tiny drops stick together, creating larger, heavier drops. If the drops become large enough, they fall as rain, snow, or another type of precipitation. Some rain and melted snow soak into the ground, becoming groundwater. Precipitation in groundwater fills lakes, rivers, streams, and ponds. Water evaporates from bodies of water around the world. Later, it condenses and falls in other places on the planet. So this image right here says clouds drop water on the desert as rain. Next section, water is important. Rain keeps plants alive and allows them to grow. People and other animals need water to survive. We also use it for other purposes, such as fighting fires. So right here are 3 pictures of examples of using water. So the first one is using water to grow corn. The second picture looks like a little bird in the water, and the third is them using water to fight fire, so some firefighters. It is important to take care of Earth's water. People are the main cause of water pollution, although sometimes it occurs naturally. Littering and dumping trash leads to dirty and unusable water. Polluted water makes people, plants, and animals sick. Would you want to drink and play in polluted water? So, right up here, our first image is of polluted water. You can see it looks pretty cloudy. There's some trash floating in it. And then the second picture, you can see the fish happily swimming. There's rocks in there, and the water is clean and clear and easy to see. So, water pollution, we can find it on our glossary here. It's the presence of dirty or harmful materials in Earth's bodies of water. So now that we have read pages 11 through 15, you can go back to your checklist and list at least 3 facts that you learned while reading this today. Good luck!